You're welcome, guys. Welcome back to Gina's channel. Ari's channel.
Okay, guys, and there you have my sister trying to do an intro for me. As always, very vocal. Thanks, Jess. Anyways, this hairstyle was from my previous video. If you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. It's basically just showing you my updo, even more of an updo when making it into a bun. So as you can see, these hairstyles are very versatile. And in case you get bored having it pinned down, you can always pin it up. And there you have it, guys. Whether you're at prom, a formal, a wedding, wherever you may be, just put some bobby pins in your purse. When you get too hot or you get too bored of your look, just pin up your hair and voila, you have a brand new look. Perfect for picture time. You're welcome. So here I have already preset my cousin's hair. We curled it, let it cool for a little bit. That way you can work with the hair. After it's curled and set and prepped, you're going to want to divide the hair from ear to ear, sectioning off the top half because that will be used for later. We're going to work our way from the bottom, and basically all you're doing is making 4 to 5 ponytails. The lines do not have to be straight, so don't worry about it because it will be covered in the final results. And depending on the nape size of your client will depend on how many ponytails you will be using. And Jessie will be giving you a little voice demonstration.
So you rip the hair apart. That way you can get the section that you want.
Okay, that one's a little wonky. Wait, let's straighten her up.
You can normally clip it or whatever you press. I do prefer. Just fucking around.
But if you're doing the voiceover, you gotta do a voiceover from when I do my makeup. That would be funny.
Oh, and the hair falls. Timber.
Her hair's so heavy. Yours.
So now we've had 2 piggies.
So once you've completed all your ponytails, you're going to section off the top piece of hair. We're using a mohawk section style, and then you can just pin the mohawk in place.
Okay, concentrate.
Please.
Don't let them think you're drunk when you're not.
Don't get so close to me though. I need space to do this.
Don't we wanted a zoom area?
We do, but.
Okay, everybody, you see how she's pulling the hair now? Hey, there's some. Oh, we're gonna get bobby pins now. I can only get one at a time because I can't concentrate. I can't multitask on this. People. So we're twisting and pulling. And she found something for it to lay on.
My dick.
And we bobby pin. Oh, she has one, everybody. Did you hear her say dick, people? When you had a job, RSVP. I mean, RIP. Blooper moment.
That's what you get for working at the hotel.
Made me stupid.
No, it made you think of RSVPing.
Did everybody see that? Or do we need to go replay? I don't like to do that. Okay, so she has a nice angle. Do you see it? Princess thing over here. Any pieces you don't desire, pin it. Oh, thank God I don't have YouTube. This is exhausting.
Thanks, Jess.
I'm
Thank you for
tired.
your.
Every YouTube video, just so I know, subscribers, I am always tired.
And she's all up in my space. Jessie needs to learn about space.
But I'm not putting you on the camera.
I know, but I can't work.
I'm over here against this wall. Like a prisoner. See how she twists the hair ever so softly. Till she gets to the end, she picks a hair that she desires, and then she pulls it up like a lantern. So this is the inspired by the Game of Thrones.
Very Game of Thrones.
So she'd even know this. She doesn't take my credit.
No, I
now.
know Game of Thrones. I just don't watch the damn show.
She just was taking my credit, guys. Just so you know.
So as you can see, basically I am taking those strands of hair from the bun and just twisting within my fingers. Then once I reach the bottom, I pull a little strand of hair up and it gives it that whimsical effect. Then you just take a bobby pin and pin it in place. You don't really need a lot of bobby pins depending on your hair density. It usually holds up pretty well with one or two. You don't want the bun to have a whole bunch of pins poking out everywhere. So keep doing this on both sides of the head until you're finally complete.
Other side.
Take out some of the hairs to frame the face. It's all depends on your preference. When you have a small forehead, you don't really have to worry. But it's still flattering for the young ladies.
All I asked her to do was record. And look at her. Look at her angles. But she's talking caca the whole time. She's a mess.
Not breed. Please stay in school. Do not drink. Words sound the same.
Just like I've had like 2 glasses of wine.
Yes, very much so.
Her words are slurring.
My words are not slurring. I'm just talking like this so you could think I'm moralist.
Fuck you. That's not me. Don't pay attention to you.
Oh, did you guys see that Unsure replay? It actually came out this time.
So as you can see, guys, I always try to do repetitive movements in updos. That way it doesn't get too complicated. All I did was take the left strand, twist it, pulled, and pinned it towards the right. I know the angle kind of sucks, sorry.
This is what we do to the unattractive girl. We hide it in the back.
So after I've styled the top half of this hairstyle, I'm just putting some pins in place and fluffing out just little sections where it could use some detail work. This part of the hairstyle could get tricky, so please use clean sections when doing your recreated braids. As you can see, my cousin has quite a bit of hair, so I chose to use the pull-through method. I feel like it works best when you want to have control of a braid without having to do too much work. You could, however, use any style of braid technique you would like. There are tons of different braids you could do, fishtail, 5-strand. Possibilities are endless, but working in a salon, you have to remember time is money. So if you can make something look bomb and effortless within a 30-minute time frame, you know, that's money in your pocket. So do your recreated looks and tag me in it because I would love to see what you guys come up with.
Do you want to be a hairdresser? Go just go put him in the cameo. He's a hairdresser.
Him?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what we're working with. Romeo. We're our father, Romeo. Juliet is the rose, so you are the son.
That father refused that name.
Please.
Isn't my cousin's dog so cute? Well, yeah, guys, so just continue on with the pull-through method, pulling some pieces as you go along.
This is what we call a flower.
So just take your time, make sure to use some clean pieces, continue your braid all the way to the end. Don't worry about the rubber bands because you will be hiding them once you start pulling apart your braid. And you can make this as big or as neat as you like. You know me, I like very exaggerated looks, so I like to pull it apart, make it look a little bit messy. However, if you see pieces of hair where you would like to pin to keep it more secure, be my guest and do that as well.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what are your pink hair?
Please take your time and actually go into detail with your updo. Make sure you're fluffing it out so it looks like a beautiful crown.
So we're continuing the braid, people.
It's called a pull through.
So guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.
If you want just
That-
his phone number, I can
That
throw
ones
that
will
too.
be deleted.
I don't really give a shit.
Well, unappreciated ones who we don't give a fuck about will be deleted. Just for the, oh, yeah, that's my hand. You're welcome is white. That wasn't flash. Okay.
Okay.
I'm putting Gina to a corner, but yeah, I need to. Move.
Dead ass, because I'm like, I should be able to move, and I can't.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go. Now we can see the braid.
So if you guys aren't comfortable with the pull through method or you prefer another braid, you can always customize it to your liking. There's a 5-strand braid, fishtail braid, whatever you guys prefer. I'd love to know what you did, so please leave it in the comments below. Whatever braid you do choose to do, just remember to fluff it out, spray that sucker down so it doesn't go anywhere, and you're good to go for the night. Have fun, guys. So here's our final look, and if you guys want to check out more of my work, please like, share, and subscribe so you can come and join the fam. Bye!
Stop saying my name like a white girl. It's mad annoying.
They can't hear me.
It's so annoying that it makes me lose my concentration.
She wants me to say, Alaris.